Whoa! All right. As you can see, we are moving a few items into our new trailer. Stephanie is going for the first time to see it. We will see how it goes. I hope she likes it because I bought it without her even seeing it. So
yeah, I'm a little nervous because I haven't even seen it, but it was the trailer we thought would work the best with us. So we're driving there right now from our house. It's just at a campground because we had to store it somewhere for like 3 days and we wanted to make sure everything worked on it. So we have it all hooked up and we're gonna stay in it tonight and make sure everything works. So you get to see us for the first time in our trailer as a full-time family. That's really weird to say. So we're on our way there now.
all right, can you guess which one it is?
I'm so excited. Don't worry, it's not that one. Kind of wish it was that one. Except that one was only $80,000 more.
There we are.
Which one?
Right there.
Oh, straight ahead?
Straight ahead. What are you doing? Do you love it?
It's Little Dinker. It's a lot smaller than I thought.
35 feet? That's a little dinker.
That's good. This is my first time seeing it. Wait, I want to do the keys.
This one, there's 2 locks. You just turn it to the side.
Woohoo!
Oh my goodness.
Smells like a camper. Oh, look at their little beds. Show them the beds.
Bunk beds.
So there's 2 beds there. And this is our dryer. It's going to go in here. So we're converting this into a laundry room. So here's, apparently these massage.
They don't. I was wrong.
They just heat. They just heat. Turn on some lights. Okay, I really don't know anything about this. This is the first time I've been in it. Let's go look at the master.
That's the bathroom.
Nice shower. Whoa! Got storage.
Lots and lots of storage.
Let's look in here. There should be. Ta-da! Look at this.
Oh!
And there's even another one. Wow.
Love it.
Cool. Here's another door.
Yep.
I think we can do this.
We have to do it.
I'm really nervous. There's really no turning back now, right? Turn on some more lights. We're gonna have to do it. That's a big old room in there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so we're gonna make that into a stackable
The right side will be a stackable.
washer and dryer, and I'm hoping you might be able to get a little freezer right here. So we're basically taking out the toilet and the sink.
Mm-hmm.
But, oh, and look at this. This was one of the reasons I got it. It had this.
Pantry.
Like it's huge. It goes all the way back. But these beds are so cute.
And it's got a ladder for
And
cozy.
then down here it has tons
Pass-through
of storage.
That's right.
Very cool. Alright, let's go get the kids.
You love
All
it?
right.
This is your new trailer. I guess we're sleeping here tonight. Gotta figure out how to get the washer and dryer in there. Yeah. Oh, got the fire on. Let's see. Hot. Hot. There's the TV. Oh, who is it? Come in.
You wanna go see? What do you
Close the door.
Cozy, look! These are your beds!
I
You wanna climb?
got
It just, yeah, there you go.
You want to climb up? Go ahead. You want to come too? Go check out your bed. Whoa! Is that your bed up there?
I want to see my window. Hi!
Those blinds are not gonna last.
Hi!
Hi! What do you think?
Yeah. Awesome!
Good job, babe!
Wow, I need it.
Do you want to see the rest?
Me! I gotta come down for mine.
I'll help you.
Are you okay?
Okay.
Look, Mommy! Look!
Yeah, it's a bear!
My house is going down. Then Papa, be us?
This is your
This
new
is
house.
yours!
What do you think? Ooh, that fireplace is nice.
I think I have to switch the propane tanks. It was blowing cold air for a month.
Let's jump on the bed.
Hey, no jumping on my
Watch your
bed.
head. Oh, yep. Desmond hit his head first. He tried to jump on the small part.
Wow.
Wow.
This room.
Come see, Des.
What is it?
Bye.
All right. Look at this. This will be our laundry room one day. Pretty cool.
You got it, Des.
So that's our awesome trailer. We're very excited.
All right. Let's go up, up, up.
It's time to eat now. All right, so we're gonna do our first night here. I guess I'll vlog some of that too. And that will be in the next video, all about our first night here. So make sure you stay tuned for the next video.